It says it's recording, so we'll find out. Okay. Number 1. Christian. So I have a question for you. Did they go the tempo that you were expecting them to go?
No.
No. Why, ensemble? Did he ask you to go faster or slower than what you've been playing?
Faster.
So why didn't we
Because we're stubborn.
follow him? That may be true. We'll go with that. We do what we want.
The other ensemble was playing the same song.
So we had to take our tempo. Alright. May I suggest letting it? Sure. What you gave them, and then you kind of gave it to them. But they're going to fix it this time and follow. Even if you decide it's, quarter note equals 160, they're going to follow you this time. Not that I suggest you do that, but good. So, would you do your gathering gesture and just go into position? What do you see in you're not what do you see, ensemble, that you would?
His arms look a little
high. Yeah. Okay. And I know Dr. Bailey wants people a little higher than maybe some people would suggest. But what's happening is your shoulders are raising. And because of that, what happens if I'm like this? Actually, would you all do that? Would you lift your shoulders? What do you feel?
Tension.
Weird tension, right? So can you breathe easily when... if you were to do this, how easy is it to breathe comfortably? All right. So what I want you to do is relax, let your shoulders drop down, and would you just bring your arms straight up until you feel your shoulders rise? Did your shoulders just rise?
Maybe, probably.
So you can go out just a little bit more. Remember, we're going to write on Izzy's face. Sorry, Izzy. Okay. The shoulders. Relax. Yeah, would you put your arms down again? And now that you just bring that up as relaxed as possible. And now would you take some breaths? Does that look a little more relaxed ensemble?
Yeah, it looks comfortable.
Would you just do some patterns, keeping that? Alright, so what happened when you started doing that was you changed back to using your shoulder. I would like you to use a little more of your elbow. So your shoulder's still activated. And you can come down to here. Alright, so your pattern can start up here, but the ictus, let's put the plane right here. Use a little more of your shoulder, elbow. So here's what's happening. As you start conducting this, well, more like this, sorry. Alright, and that's raising this whole apparatus. What I want you to do is drop the shoulder and drop the elbow. So then you can still use the shoulder, but this, the difference is this versus this. Do you see the difference? Alright, let's see if we can feel the difference now. Drop your left hand. Yeah, so keep that down. Good. Now, just go up. And keep, instead of leaving, yeah. Okay, now go through the two. So you turned your elbow and led with your elbow.
Okay.
So this is going to take a little retraining on your part.
Mm-hmm.
But once you do this for a week correctly, it'll help everything that's going to come.
Okay.
Keeping the elbow down rather than out. Because that's forcing you to have to conduct like this. Alright, and that's causing a lot of extra tension.
Okay.
Okay, so palm down, baton out straight to Izzy. Hey, bud. Or we could use Jessica and you can like just tap on the top of her head. Okay? That will also work. So let's try this again. Keeping that in mind. Drop the elbow. So part of the challenge is your one is not going, you're predicting two. So one, that prep is just up, down. Okay? And then your rebound technically goes in the opposite direction of where you're about to move. One. So the rebound goes in, so you're about to go out. And lead with this rather than, but if you kept it down for 1, 2, 3. Focus out here. Okay, try it once again. Drop your shoulders. Okay. So what I'm seeing is, as we go along, 1 is getting better, but then 2, 3, and then you're starting to conduct out here, rather than further into the middle of your body. All right. So, what do you do with that? Oh, this is gonna help. We're gonna try it. You do your gathering gesture. Everything's going to occur in here. You can't move your body over. Okay? So it's going to be 1, 2, and then this will drag back. So drag just a little bit. Yeah, can you just do this? Now, I'm obviously exaggerating a little bit, not that this won't be used sometimes. But yeah, we want to get that motion going across. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Yeah, and eventually I'll let you move a little bit over, but what I want you to do is feel that that's where you're going. And eventually you're just conducting out here rather than here. Do this once again, or that one way. Okay. So we're getting there. You gotta remember staying 3. Alright, but I know I'm throwing a lot at you. Okay, we're gonna work on this, continue to work on this on another exercise. Let's do the 5 one that we did before, which was what, 11? 14?
11.
The Tchaikovsky, 11? We're gonna try something else. Sorry, I like coming up with starting doing this in 6. So, what I want you to do to this is you're actually going to, you're going to tap your baton along this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And your baton should not go outside of this range, okay? Would you go up so I can make sure that you're at the right? Relax your shoulders. So that's where you're going to tap, right? pattern is, instead of stopping and staying there, this is a hot stove, really, really hot. All right, and you're going to pretend that you can actually feel it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're not going to hurt this because these are fiberglass. Okay, so you're not going to hurt this. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Actually think how, since this is kind of a waltz, a little bouncy, use that. Keep the motion going. Okay, rather than stop, stop, stop. Try that again. So what's happening is there's a delay going down into the beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Would you just do that? We're not moving anything else. We're just going to tap. 1, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See how you stay there?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Just do that with your wrist. Now would you do that in a 5 pattern? 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. With your wrist. Keep going. Relax your wrist. Let it bounce. Okay. So this is what I want you to work on. You're just going to go home to really loosen this up.
Mm-hmm.
Relax. You're going to watch TV. Or listen to music, do whatever you want, but you're going to take something that, and I want you to just tap and only wrist, and I want you to loosen up, real hot stove. Just do that for a while.
Okay.
Okay? Until it's like this, where it's a nice V shape. Then put it into your patterns. Do all your patterns that way. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. And put a metronome on. And I want you to stay with the metronome while you do all your different patterns tapping with just your wrist. That's going to help loosen this up. Then it'll take a little bit of the energy away from here, which will help keep you from raising your shoulders.
Okay.
All right, I think that is probably one of the best exercises that's going to help you in the next step in your journeys. Because you know the patterns and you know the music. So now we're just going to make it a little more clear.
Okay.
Sound good?
Yep.
Any questions, guys? Nice job. Thank you, guys. And have a good weekend. And we will see you next week. That works.
This one stays.